Hello students, in this video I am going to covering Krishna Jayanti University for their MCA courses. The specialization, fees, placement, NAAC grading, reputation, everything I am going to tell in this video. So first I am going to start from their establishment. So Krishna Jayanti established in 1999. Then the NAAC grading. So Krishna Jayanti holds A++ NAAC grading. Then the reputation. So Krishna Jayanti not holding any QS ranking or world ranking. I mean to say that Krishna Jayanti don't have any global exposure or global ranking. If I draw like this is the world and this is the India and this is the Bangalore. So Krishna Jayanti is only reputed in Bangalore. In India also they are not reputed and in world also they are not reputed. So for reputation, Krishna Jayanti is only reputed in Bangalore. So the reputation is I am writing only Bangalore. Then the specialization, so for MC they are offering 5 to 6 specialization. So data analysis, cloud computing and some other specialization they are also offering. Then the fees. So for 2 years we have to pay around 4 lakhs. Then the campus, so their campus life. So they are not having any modern labs. I mean which is most necessary for MCA or any tech field courses. Then the campus. So they are having around 25-acre campus and the labs which is most necessary for MC or tech field courses. So they are not having any modern labs which is most necessary. So for that, and they are also having green camping, but the campus life I can give at least 7 out of 10. Then the pros and cons. So now let's talk about the pros. So they are offering affordable fees. So in around 4 lakhs you can complete your MCA. And the cons. So I should talk about the placement. So they are having only 60 to 70% their placement rate. So their average goes up to 5 to 6 lakhs and their highest will go up to 15 lakhs. So their placement rate is poor and their average package is also same like whatever fees you are paying. Then the other cons is they are only reputed in Bangalore. If you want to be with a college who has global reputation, then you should not choose Krishna Jayanti University. Your other options like Christ University is one of the best for MCA. MS Rama is also there. Jain University is also there for MCA courses. So for global reputation and the other things you can go with other colleges. And if you are looking for affordable fees and you just complete your MCA in Bangalore, so you can go with Krishna Jayanti University. So what is your opinion? You can comment below. So thank you for watching.